Jenny.
Hi, Allison.
All right, here swing in Denver. Lindy Hop through a couple wins. We're gonna turn around to do some side-by-side Charleston. We're gonna say that the lead is gonna be on the left, follower on the right, non-indicative of gender. So we're gonna start with just a basic touch, walk forward, touch, walk back,
Outside?
touch, walk forward, touch,
Inside.
walk back. Then we can add like a little kick, shoot, 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 we can also add, yep. You can add a rock step there, shoot, rock step, step, kick, and step. Now we can go rock step, kick, step, step. And this kick step can be as dramatic or chill as you want, because really it's just kind of like a delayed walk style.
Step, step.
Kick. We're going to turn around and face y'all and just kind of do some rhythms and things that we didn't really do. We're going to be offset of each other, just doing random things. Ooh, a slide. And so some things are naturally going to call and respond to each other. And the thing is like, with dance, hey, that was similar. I thought that was more like almost like a fishtail thing. Oh, hey. All right. And this is the thing. We can call and call and call and call to each other there. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, and just kind of have fun with this. So lots of variety there. We had some skip ups, and so we like this little grip that we refer to. Shoot. Shoot. Big kick. Peel away. Shoot. Yeah. We can also do, instead of like slows peel away, we can go quick. Tap, 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 tap. And while that may be felt, that could also more likely just be a personal decision of how you respond to the peel away. Oh my God. Oh, I can do it double. So much fun. All right. And we also talked about, but didn't necessarily ask you all, but you can also end and open and respond to dancing.
And Shane had a great question about, can we do it backwards? Yes. Of course we can.
You lead.
I
don't remember.
We kind of took out the rocks and we went back, kick, back. We're just making it up.
Yeah, we are. All right, so we had a little pattern getting us into sailor kicks where we could go break, kick, 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 and break. Kick, 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 and break. We can stay on the same foot. Kick, and break. Circle it around. Circle it around. Okay, and with that break, it means you can start right leg, left leg, whatever you want. Jump Charleston and then hitchhiker. So we have people going down, step, step, down, step, step, down, step, step, down. Keep that bounce.
Helps us move.
Going, okay? And then we added in a kick and kick step. So we had kick and kick step, switch, step, step, kick and kick step, switch, step, step, kick, step,
and
switch.
Kick and kick.
Yeah. And then we could add different stylings. Yeah. Kick and kick step. Oh yeah.
Traditionally.
Okay. And then we were talking about some hitchhiker stuff. So we had, we actually started with the run up. So we had, let's go facing each other. Offset. Yeah. Cool. Already. And kick, and four walks. As a way of just getting practicing that run up. And then we also had, we had our touches. Touch, and run. Up, and all right, and then we're talking about this particular rhythm. We're just rock, step, step, rock, step,
Keep
step,
bouncing.
rock, step, step, partnering up, and this is kind of like our simple gliding basic.
Away and together.
And that together could be replaced by triple steps. Shoot, get that, do, shoot, get that, do, shoot, get up, you can just play with rotating to your rights or lefts. Yeah, driving somebody forward or backwards. And just practicing that gliding. And then we're getting back into that Charleston rhythm. Do, shoot, da, do, da, do. And we can talk
Break
about
away.
switching hand holds. Shoot, ba, hoo, ba, hoo, and we had our rocks that breaks. Shoot, ba, a tiki ta ta. Shoot, ba, hoo, shoot,
Thank you.
Did we forget anything?
Yes.